How to fix banned on TikTok Live. So today's video, I'll go ahead and teach you guys how you could fix banned on TikTok Live. So let's just go ahead and get right in with the video. So firstly, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner on your profile page, then click settings and privacy. From here, guys, go to the bottom of the page all the way down to support and about. Now go ahead and click on report a problem. Once you go ahead and do that, you're going to want to go ahead and you guys are going to probably see a bunch of topics here now. Do not pay attention to all of these. Go to the live topic right here. And once you go ahead and do click that, it's going to give you guys a topic talking about, somewhat related, similar, problems people are having, right? So click live is suspended here. Now, once you go ahead and do that, it's gonna give you a little bit of a topic here and a little bit of like a read and stuff. It's pretty useless, honestly. Just go ahead and click, is your problem resolved? Click no. Once you go ahead and do that, it's gonna give you guys your feedback was submitted. Now, just go ahead and click need more help. Now, once you've done that, it's gonna bring you guys to the report a problem page. Now, here, just say that I want my TikTok live back. I was banned for absolutely no reason, right? So basically just give them a brief description of why you want the TikTok live back, guys. And usually if it is in error, they would usually just pretty much lift the ban on your TikTok live. But if you did do some pretty fishy things with the TikTok live, then unfortunately the chances are 50-50. Sometimes I feel like it's an automated system with this type of stuff. So they'll either lift it or they don't lift it, right? So you kind of play your cards 50-50 here. So just go ahead and submit this feedback, guys. They'll go ahead and get back to you within a week or even less than that. And basically that's how you guys go ahead and solve the fixed ban TikTok live, right? That's how you go ahead and fix the ban on TikTok Live. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.